content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will post daily update videos of new inventory coming in. We have various late model foreign and domestic vehicles arriving on a daily basis. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Land Rover Velar that we're in the process of repairing, so I want to show you guys what we do with freshwater flood damaged vehicles. Right now just want to go over some details and show you why we make decisions to build certain cars. As you can see, the engine compartment is clean. No signs of rust or corrosion anywhere in the vehicle, or at least in the engine compartment for now. We're going to build this vehicle complete, take it through the salvage inspection. There's no dirt or moisture in there. No dirt or moisture in the fog light. Do a quick walk around. We take our time with the flood damaged vehicles, make sure everything is dry, so there's no issues down the road. Once we're done repairing the flood damage, we'll fix this bodywork over here too. It's turned out to be a nice vehicle when we're done. You have to excuse the video, it's going to be a little tight. Panoramic roof. Let's take a look inside real quick. As you can see, we pull out the carpets. We're probably going to replace the carpet in this car. Make sure everything's dry, clean everything. Make sure the seats are dry. It's harder now because it's the winter time, so we're gonna have to pull the interior, bring it inside the shop. But we go through the entire wiring harness, we clean all the metal. We even replace some of this foam and sound deadener. Just make sure everything is 100%. We'll clean this metal here. Got a little corrosion on the seat there. We'll clean all that. Make sure it's 100% proper. Back to its original state. The vehicle does run and drive. Once we're done, it'll be 100%. And back to its original state. When we complete it, we'll post it on the website, detailed photos and more videos with an update shortly. Thanks for watching.